Welcome to Sew Anastasia, and today we are going to be hemming jeans with the original hem. The other method is just a rolled hem, but we're going to be doing an extra professional method, which is taking the original hem and putting it back on so we don't lose all the detail at the bottom of the hem. So grab a pair of jeans that need some hemming and let's hem them. I always need to hem my jeans because I'm only 5'2", so you can imagine I do a lot of hemming. The supplies for this project are very simple. You're going to need your jeans, you're going to need a matching thread, you're going to need your scissors, and you're also going to need some chalk. I love using this chalk pen. And we're going to be using a home sewing machine. You can use whatever machine you have available to you. The first thing you need to do is put on your jeans and grab your chalk. So I've put on my jeans and I've rolled them up to where I want them hemmed. So you're gonna grab your chalk and we're gonna mark the very bottom of the pants. So we're gonna chalk as far as you can around, since you have these on you. Now mine's gonna be even front and back, so if I can only make it halfway around chalking, no problem. I'm just gonna do as far as I can. So you can see we've got all those little chalk lines on there. We're back at the cutting table and I have my pants with the marks on them. Now grab your ruler and line up all those little tick marks that you created and draw a line across your pants. Now this is going to be our cutting line. So grab your scissors and we're gonna cut this off right at this line. Woohoo! Our pants are shorter already. So now you'll have a piece that you cut off. Do not throw this out because we need to reattach this to the bottom of the pants still. So now you're going to take the piece that you cut off and we're gonna place it on the other pant leg. Make sure you have this lined up perfectly. And then I want you to take your chalk and chalk right along the edge. This is going to be your new cutting line. So grab your scissors and cut on that line. And now you have two chunks, but these are not any ordinary chunks, they're jeans. Next, grab your jean chunk and your seam ripper and make sure your pant leg is turned inside out. And we're going to seam rip along the hem. When I start this, I like to put the pointy end in a little bit and then I turn it around so that the red nub is on the inside. And then you can push this and it's going to go very smooth all the way around, except for when you hit these side seams. And there we go. And we are done. Now this is open. So now you can open up your denim at the hem. Now go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. I rolled back up the hem of my jeans, and now I'm going to place my ruler on the jeans. I want to measure up 1 inch from the very hem of the jeans and make a chalk line all the way across. Now this is going to be my new cutting line. So go ahead and cut right on this line. And now we are left with 1 inch of the hem, and we have our 1/2 inch of the rolled hem, which is the original. Now go ahead and do the exact same thing to the other side. Now we have 2 1-inch chunks that are hems. So now we're gonna take these hems and we're gonna sew them back onto the jeans. This is magic. Today I'm going to be using the Husqvarna Viking Epic 980Q. You can use whatever sewing machine you have available. So what we're going to do is zigzag the raw edge that's on the chunk. If you have a serger, you can serge this edge, and you can also use the overcast stitch on the sewing machine. I'm going to be using the zigzag stitch. Whatever method you choose is totally fine. Basically, we just want to clean up the edge. Okay, so go ahead and zigzag this raw edge. Make sure you back stitch or fix. Now go ahead and do the exact same thing to the other one. Perfect. Now we have a zigzag on both of the raw edges. Again, this could be a serge or an overcast stitch as well. We're almost done. Now we need to pin the hem back on the jeans. Now you want your pants to be turned right side out, and you want the hem that we had cut off to be turned wrong side out. So what we're going to do, since we've seam ripped open this hem, is slide the raw edge of our pant all the way to the bottom of that crease and lap it over. And you can start to see how we're going to have that look of the original hem on the pants. Grab a couple pins and pin this in place. So now that we have the original hem pinned back onto the pant, all we need to do is top stitch right back over the holes that you can see from the previous stitch that we had taken out. Don't forget to switch your machine back over to the straight stitch, and we're gonna sew this hem on, and then we're done. Make sure you take your pins out before you get to them. Make sure you backstitch or fix. And there we go. That is how you put that original hem back on the jeans. Now go ahead and do the exact same thing to the other side, and your jeans are gonna be hemmed. We did it! We hemmed the jeans with an original hem. That was easy, right? Now you can go ahead and hem all of your jeans. Thanks so much for watching Sew Anastasia today. I hope you had fun learning how to hem a pair of jeans with an original hem. So cool! If you're in Chicago, make sure you check out my sewing classes and come visit me in the design studio. And if you're not, make sure you stay up to date with me on Instagram. I'm at Sew Anastasia or Anastasia Chatzka. And most importantly, don't forget to hit that notification button so you can see all my other awesome videos. I have a new video come out every week. Thanks for watching. Bye!